Uhe ke BJP Megalaya uba Ernest Mawrie ulakin thojur halor ke Jingtwa Shibanta ke Jingtei jong ke Yeng Assembly ke Badang dan mentah breng ke Jingshna ula penrem ki kontraktor ki bla shimti ke ni ke kam bar ula ong badai ban Pynshitom ru ke company ke badai page bar ke ba pentrei ba ula dawa na ke sarkar jalla ba ke dai ban Pynsangeh elu ki kam badang pentrei ke ni ke company
Meghalaya Assembly site in the Mauryan Dam. As you know, this work has been done by one company from Uttar Pradesh. The company name is RiKhasi Nirman Nikam Ltd. And while quoting the tender for construction of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, the original estimate it was 145 crore. But this firm, they have quoted only 127 crore, which has shown that it is less than 18 crore below they have quoted for this work. So, any company or any construction firm, when they quoted below, it means that they will not maintain the quality of work. So, it is very sad to say, and this company, they are doing the work in the whole part of Meghalaya in various places. And first of all, this work it has been just newly constructed in the years 2019. And while our Honorable Speaker Omrolaji, he visited the site, again he has given the additional fund of 100 crore to complete the project. So now, first of all, I would like to stress here, we from the BJP, though we are the part of the coalition government, we cannot just keep silent on this act of corruption. Because we always stated that we have zero tolerance against corruption. And you see, some people might think that we are highlighting, we are all the time expressing this corruption. It is not for our political mileage. It is for the concern of the state. Because this is not the first time this shady construction it take place. So, you see, they have already set up the target of completion of this new assembly building, which the government and from the speaker, he has given a statement that they are going to inaugurate next year. But what will be the fate? Suppose now, because I know inauguration of this big project, it will be taken place maybe from the center, likely by the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha. And if this thing happen after the inauguration, what will be the fate of our state? What will be the fate of our state? And now, first of all, the people involved, the firm involved in this construction, they should be punished. And the concerned authority, those who are supervise this work, those who look after this work, they should be punished. They cannot skip free like that. And I want to ask the fate of our MLA. How will we go and attend the assembly in that particular building? Now I have seen in the photo that room cover collapsed. And when I received the photo in the morning, I sent to my friend, he's an IT engineer, and he told that from the picture itself is clearly shown that the poor quality of work. So I don't think we can make a lame excuse on that. It shown very clearly that it is a poor quality of work. And this firm, they have given this work to subcontract to somebody else. And they are doing the work in all around the place in Meghalaya, that Badri Rai and company. And I have traveled the whole part of the state, especially in Garo Hills, This farm, they are doing construction even in Shillong also. Multi-purpose commercial complex at Polo Ground. This is under the Smart City project. So you see, this project, it is for the public. So we are concerned, if anything happen, accident happen, then who will take responsibility? And they are doing construction of this, not only this Smart City Polo complex, even Porno Sangma Stadium also in Tura. This same farm, they are doing work. And not only that, this farm, they are doing the work like, you see, construction of road from Resgulpara to Mandipathar, which the quality is very poor. And they are doing the road construction from Fulbari to Rongram also. Because I used to travel the whole part of Garo Hills, I have seen with my own eyes. So I request the media, the press to go and investigate the site. What is the poor quality of work done by this company? You see, we are very ashamed. One after another construction is, shadow construction. So I think we should concern about the life of the people using that structures. And now what I want to suggest to the government, first of all, let us see first whether this assembly building, we have to see the safety measure. We have to conduct whether this building is fit or not. And after that, they have to seal this construction. Let us first go for the committee to see about the safety. And I request the government to stop construction and even to punish the farm or the construction farm, even the authority who supervise this work.